Everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change the dust bag on your ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, on the station itself right here, we have the ECOVACS logo and branding on the cover right below our indicator light. We just go ahead and we pop that cover off. That's going to reveal the vacuum bag. If yours is full and you need to swap it out, just gently pull the old bag out, dispose of it, and then take your new bag and you're going to slot it up just like you see right here. Blue arrow in, line it up, and then just gently press this section in too. And there we go. We now have our vacuum bag installed. Two tabs up at the top go in first, and then it just snaps in at the bottom. It's that simple.